Here's a quick look at what's new in IQ4 Whiteboard to help you make class time quality time. You can now format shapes with new outline, fill, and thickness options, and flip them horizontally or vertically. Share a YouTube video directly into Whiteboard. Use it as a hook or to annotate key ideas as you teach. 4 new pen styles give you more flexibility, including creative tools like paintbrush and crayon, and disappearing ink for quick checks for understanding. You can now lock the canvas to prevent accidental edits, keeping your content anchored while students and teachers interact with the board. The Whiteboard toolbar can now be oriented vertically, giving you more space to model and write while keeping tools easy to access. When you select a line, a floating toolbar appears, making it easy to adjust the line's appearance right where you're working. To learn more about your smart interactive display, powered by IQ4, subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit smarttech.com/learnsmart to get started.